We'll use a plastic trim remover tool like this, and first we'll take out this master window switch. We'll punch in the tool on the top edge of the window switch and then slightly pull it outwards. We also need to punch in the tool on the edge of the window switch until it's completely taken out. There it is. Once that is taken out, notice behind there are some plugs. There's one plug right here and the other plug right there. What we'll do is we'll have to press and hold that tab right there and then pull the plug outwards. There it is, the bigger plug is taken out. Similar way, we'll take out the smaller plug. We'll press and hold that tab right there and then pull the plug outwards. There it is. With that, we are done taking out the master window switch. Once the switch panel is taken out, notice behind the switch panel there are a bunch of screws that we also need to take out. Notice there's 1, 2, 3 and 4 screws that needs to be taken out. I'll be taking it out with a Phillips screwdriver, so I'll take out the first screw from right here. There's the first screw taken out, and the second screw is at the bottom right there. Second screw also out, third screw on the corner. There's that third screw taken out. Now the final screw is right here. Just make sure you're holding on to the window switch itself, because the switch panel will fall apart while taking out the final screw, and we are trying to avoid doing that here. Now we'll go ahead and take out the final screw. There it is, all the screws are taken out. Once all the screws are taken out, now we'll just grab the window switch and then pull it outwards. There it is, and that is how we take out the master window switch. In my case, the window switch is good, so I'll be installing it back. But in your case, if you have a new window switch and you want to install it back, just make sure the window switch matches with the position of the cover right there. So we'll go ahead and punch it back where we took it out from. Make sure the window switch is completely in, just like that. There it is, it's completely in and also looking good from all over the edges, and the buttons are also operational from this side. Now we'll go ahead and punch in all those 4 screws back. So the process involves, first we will punch in all the screws without tightening them. Once all the screws are in place, only then we will go ahead and tighten them till the very end. First one is tight. Second one is also tight. Third one is tight as well. We got the 4th screw tight as well, and notice the window switch is also not shaking or moving, which is good. Now we'll go ahead and punch in the complete window switch cover back where we took it out from. So we'll go ahead and punch in the bigger plug first. Just make sure the tab side of the plug, which is right there, goes upside. So we'll go ahead and slide this in. It's a little tight spot right there. Once the plug is in, then we will just push it down until we hear a clicking sound. There we got the bigger plug in. Similar way, we'll punch in the smaller plug. For this, just make sure the tab side is towards the bottom, which is right there. Now we punch in the plug and then press it down until we hear a clicking sound. There it is. Now we'll go ahead and punch this back. Notice this switch panel has this kind of white color plastic tab. This is supposed to go in that spot right there. Once that tab is in, the rest will just fall apart by itself. So we'll go ahead and punch this inside, making sure that tab is in position. Once in place, then we will just push it down until it goes completely in. There's the cover completely in, and with that we are done with the replacement of master window switch. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Here are the list of tools used for this takeout.